Right, let us go with the second problem. This is mean of first 6 prime numbers is, right? So they have given 4 options here. Right, let us check out what exactly the prime number is. Prime number is the number which is divisible by itself and 1. It is divisible by 1 and as well as itself. Right. So you know that is 2 is the prime number, only even prime number. The second one is 3, right? Third one is 5, fourth one is 7, right? Then 9 is divisible by 3, so that's what it is not a prime number. Then 11 is not divisible by any number, and then 13, right? This is the 6 prime numbers, first 6 prime numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we know that what is mean. Mean is nothing but sum of observation that divided by number of observation, right? Yeah, sum of observation, that you need to sum it here. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13, that divided by, right, number of observation is going to be 6. Now add it here. 13, 24, 13, 20, 13 plus 7, 20, 31 plus 5, 31 plus 5 is 36 plus 5 is 41 that divided by 6. Now divide it here. 41 that divided by 6, 6 are 36, so 5 remainder. So I can't divide, take a decimal point here, take 0, right? 6 8s are 48, right? 2 remainder, again I can take 0, that is 3s are 18, it goes again 2, right? Option here, that is answer here is 6.83. Option B is the right one.